So we're going to set this camera up. Aim that at the tailpipe. Hit record on that one. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, welcome back. It's been a little bit. It's been about a week since that storm. It's been a couple of months since I started this. So I thought today I would do a cold start video for you. It seems like those are pretty popular. So we're going to set this camera up. Aim that at the tailpipe. Hit record on that one. If it'll record. That's my old camera. Alright. Got my keys here somewhere. Can't get in on that side. So let's get in on this side. Oh, I forgot how nice it was in here. So let's do a cold start video. Like I said, it's been a couple of months. I don't know what's going on with the brake thingy flashing, but NC, so okay, we gotta give it a little to get that up. Let's try it. Wow. Two months. I mean, it's skipping, but I started right up. Alright, well I guess I'll let it run for a little bit, let it warm up, but there you go, cold start video. 2 months. It was -3 I think last night. -3 Fahrenheit. And that's the bad one. -3 Celsius ain't so bad. But yeah, 1994 and a half turbo diesel IDI 7.3 liter. Cold start video.